Okay guys, I'm super excited. Let's do this. Oh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Adile Awoli. I'm a wife, I'm a mom. I'm the content creator behind the fashion blog Passion Heavenly, where I share my love for modest fashion. I share how to inject color into your everyday style, how to step out of the norm. Be sure to check out my blog if you're a fashion enthusiast, if you love color, you don't know how to wear color, or you just want to wear color and you're just scared of it. Check out my blog. And yeah, I'm also very active on social media, especially on Instagram. I post on my feed every day. I post I post outfit inspiration on my fashion blog, on my Instagram, even on my Instagram stories. I post when I go to shop. Sometimes my real life I share on my Instagram stories. So be sure to check me out on Instagram. If you like what you see, give me a follow. Yeah, let's jump into today's video. So like I mentioned earlier, I'm a content creator, and I love to create. I love to put pieces together, and so and that's exactly what I'm bringing to my YouTube channel. I'm also sharing my love for home decor, which I've shared, in past videos, and I'll leave that in the description bar if you're a home decor lover as well. But for today's video, I just wanted to share with you, I want to do an unboxing of my computer that my lovely husband got me for my birthday, and I did share that on my last video when I shared my the gifts that I got for my birthday. So today I'm actually going to unbox the iMac with you guys and just kind of share with you my updated desk, because I did share my cloth fix reveal in past videos. And yeah, so there's been a bit of update, not a lot, but just a little bit, that works for my lifestyle. Yeah, and I just want to kind of share that with you today. So before I go on with the unboxing, I just wanted to kind of share what my desk is looking like currently. Again, I've shared my entire desk and everything on it in my cloth fix reveal video. So if you're interested, again, I'm going to leave that in the description bar. But for today, there's been, like I said, a little bit of updates. So the last time I did my cloth fix reveal, I didn't have all these covers. I got all these from IKEA, and yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox my iMac right now, just for you guys to see what it's looking like before we make the change. Okay guys, so here is the iMac. It's huge. This is what it looks like. It's a 21-inch iMac, and the first thing I'm going to do is because my laptop is still on the table, so I'm just going to kind of clear my table a little bit. That way I have enough room to unbox my new computer. Okay guys, I'm super excited. Let's do this. Guys, I'm so excited. Peel that right off, and ooh, I think I need to know. Okay, I think. Guys, are you seeing this? Oh my god, this is huge. Okay, how do I fix it? Okay, so I think this is the first thing that comes. I stick out so that's the keyboard. That's what it looks like, and the mouse. So with my MacBook Pro, I already have a mouse, and I got another one with the new computer. Is what the keyboard looks like. I don't know if you guys can see. So that's what it looks like right there, and has some paper in there as well. So okay, we're just gonna put this on from the side. And then go ahead and stick. Whoo, look at that. Look at that. Wow, look at that. That's beautiful, 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 beautiful. That's what it looks like. Move you guys back a little bit so you can see. That's what it looks like. You turn it around. So that's what it's looking like. Okay guys, so there's actually a cord in here. So that's the one that you plug in. Put this here. So this is how I will set up my computer. Like, I'll just tilt it to the side because I'm still gonna have my laptop here. That way I can work on things simultaneously and just kind of make my work very seamless. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open up the keyboard. I showed it before. That's what it looks like. It's gonna be here. And then for the mouse, I might not actually use this one because I already have one that I'm using, so there's no point. I might, like my brother said, I might sell the mouse, or you know, maybe just give it out to anyone that, maybe family and friends that need it. So yeah. So I wish I had known about this mat, this table mat. It's a transparent one. I got this one from IKEA. It's very durable. And I got this, and then I got this cup type as well. You know, for the table, just kind of protect the table. I wish I had known about, you know, having this and the cup mat as well when I got this table. That way it would have been, you know, more preserved than what it is right now. But it is what it is. I still want to kind of go ahead and still protect it regardless of what little damage it's been done. But you know, I gotta give it up to IKEA because, to be honest, like I said in my video, I have already had this table close to 6-7 years, so it's still, I just have some cheap like around here because obviously this is where I sit down and I work the most. So I have the cheap around here, and that's okay, and that's why I decided to still go ahead and have this mat on there. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I adjusted my table and I arranged it as per how it will be functional and easy for me to use. So now obviously my iMac is on that side because I don't have the glare. I don't want I'm very close to the window, and so I don't want the window to kind of mess with my screen. So that's why it's kind of tilted away from the window. So now I have it on there. I have my iMac still in the middle, but now I have my iPad on this side. And then I always have my tea or water up here. And I still have enough space to put my notebook. I always burn candles, and I've talked about this candle in my last IKEA haul video, so I'll also link that in the description bar if you're interested. So before I go into the spec of the iMac that I got, I actually have I got this desktop storage for pictures and videos. So that's what it looks like. It's actually 8 terabyte. It was after I bought it, I'm like, do I actually need 8 terabyte? But what I intend to do is I want to take all my pictures from Google Photos, from Dropbox. Like, I want to just kind of collect all my pictures all around different folders that I've been using in the past for my pictures for my blog, and then now for YouTube. And I just want to kind of store everything in one, that way I can access it easily. And so that's why I bought 8 terabytes. So this one, I'm thinking I'll just have it like somewhere around here. That's why I kind of have a little bit of space going on there. I'm going to open it up and then put it on that side as well. Another update I did to my cloth fix is and I'll show you in a bit. I have a shredder in here to be able to shred paper that is being a nuisance basically. So yeah. Okay guys, for the portion of this video, I decided to use my handheld tripod just to kind of show you guys how my setup is looking like. So I was talking about this shredder that I just got for the paper, and I was talking about this. So here is a closer look at what the storage is. Like I said, it's an 8 terabyte, and that's what my table is currently looking like. So you guys have seen all that. That's what's looking like. Everything will be in the description bar below. Yes, so a little bit of spec about my iMac. So like I said earlier on, I have the iMac I have the iMac 2.5 inches, and I have the 16 gig. No, I have the 8 gig, sorry. If I was buying it for myself, I would definitely have gone for the 16 gig. But because it was a hobby that, gifted it, for me. Also, if I was buying it for myself, I would not have gotten the mouse. I would have gotten the trackpad instead, or, yeah, but that's what it is. So it's i3 or i5 Intel processor. And like I said, it's 8 gigabyte. And I got this to be able to have more storage. So that's what it's looking like. This is corkscrew, like I talked about. I've been using it for over a month now, and I absolutely love it. So it keeps my table protected. So that's what it looks like. So I know you guys might have noticed this. So this was actually in the balloon that I got from the hobby for my birthday a few weeks ago, and I'll leave that haul in the description bar below. So my daughter actually took this from the balloons, and I just thought, wow, just it looks good on there. So I just kind of moved things around. Like I said, like it's not a lot, but I just kind of move things around to create space for this. And guys, I thought this would be like I wouldn't have enough space, and that's exactly what my husband said as well. That's why he went for the 21.5 inches. But I'm so glad that there's more than enough space for me to be able to move around. So if you remember, my laptop was actually on here, and I had this laptop cover, and I put my laptop on that laptop case as a stand. Well, I just kind of change it around and put the laptop case over there, and have my laptop and my iPad in the slot right there. And I always have a book on my table. Now for the external drive is actually at the back here. You see that? So that's where it is, and it's just tucked away. Yeah, so only I know where it is, because again, I have kids. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of share that quick update with you guys. Hope to see you guys next week. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Click the notification bell so that every time I post a video, you'll be notified. Check me out on Instagram, and also check my blog out. And until next week, I'll see you. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.